Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find communities on the Toy Blast application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. And if you want to find different communities on the social media applications, just go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the last two green options, the Instagram and the Facebook. And if you want to join any communities, just click that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.